There we go. There's one. It's because this reel was like $5. Oh, alright, well, I didn't have to do anything. There you go. Justin got one. Ooh, a nice one. Attaboy. Let's see that one, Justin. What is that? Sucker? Croaker.
Type of grunt.
Listen to it, dude.
Trying to catch a bait, looks like. They turned around. Pretty cool color, though.
I thought it was a sheep's head for a minute.
These guys with little teeth.
When we moved over to this point, it's really annoying using that thing, and it sucks. Plus it's a lot heavier, and I like the bait caster, it's a lot lighter. There we go, there's one. Little one. Ah, I didn't even eat it all. Oh man. No way. Right, right. Yeah. This dude is biting onto my hook hard. Side to head, side to tail. Little mangrove. Still sucking it right offline. Chris caught Jack, little baby Jack, on his tiny ass rod. Look at that. Oh my god. Come on, Chris. Just be a man. Missed it. Oh my god. they're getting bigger. What's up the side of your mouth? Well, forgot to hit record, but look at the size of this sheep's head. Oh my gosh. It's a fatty. I didn't think the water actually got this deep in high tide. Oh my gosh.